When it comes to restorative dentistry, Tokuyama Dental helps clinicians take the complex and make it easy. Its trio of award-winning composites, Estelite Omega, Estelite Sigma Quick, and OMNICHROMA provides solutions that simplify workflows and deliver long-lasting aesthetic results. If you took away my Estelite Omega composite system, I'd be a bit lost, says Dr. Matthew Burton, who relies on it daily for anterior restorations. Designed with patented spherical filler technology, Estelite Omega blends seamlessly with natural dentition. It looks like it was always there, and I don't need to cover the entire tooth, he adds. Estelite Omega is also ideal for conservative smile makeovers. In one case, a patient with chipped edges and black triangles received bonding with no tooth reduction. It was quite a transformation with just a little bonding, says Dr. Burton. We didn't change the colors. It was a crazy improvement. For everyday restorative work, Dr. Katherine Hashimoto turns to the reduced, wide shade matching range of Estelite Sigma Quick. It has a nice viscosity and I've had no failures, she says. Its smooth handling, high gloss retention, and low sensitivity make it a reliable choice for both anterior and posterior cases. OMNICHROMA, Tokuyama's latest innovative and world's first universal single-shade composite to use structural color to adapt to any tooth shade. It's hard to get a material to blend without it looking too opaque or too white. OMNICHROMA really does a great job, says Dr. Burton. These materials help clinicians achieve beautiful and predictable results with confidence.